Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at some more trig basics, finding the complement and the supplement. Okay, so refreshing your memory, complement means what angle do I need to add to my existing angle to get 90 degrees. Okay, so theta is what you're given and this is your unknown angle. And then supplement would be the same concept, but 180 degrees. Okay? So the way you would do it is you would literally just say, okay, well, I got 48 degrees plus some angle is going to give me 90 degrees. What is that angle? Well, subtract 48 from both sides and you will find that angle. So in this case, we would need 42 degrees, right, if we subtracted 48. You carry 1, you get a 2, and 42 degrees indeed. All right? And then the supplement, same concept. Only difference is you would change that other side to 180. So, oops, didn't leave myself much space, but if you subtract 48 from both sides, we would get, let's see, 140, and then 8 more would be 132. Okay? So this is the complement, this is the supplement. Add up to 90, add up to 180. Let's look at this. Pi over 6, if you did it in degrees, that'd be 30 degrees, but let's just keep it in radians, just so it doesn't throw you off if you see it on a test or a quiz. Plus some angle equals pi over 2 is the radian measure there for 90 degrees. So if we subtract pi over 6 from both sides, we would need a common denominator of 6, so 3 times the bottom, so we would do 3 times the top as well, minus pi over 6, and you'd get a 2 pi over 6, or pi over 3. Or you could have just said, well, that's 30 degrees, and 30 plus 60 gives me 90. Whatever makes you happy. If you have to show your work in radians, so that's how you would do it. And then for the supplement, I'll do that up here. We would have pi over 6 plus some angle equals pi, and you'd subtract and then here this would be 6 pi over 6 minus pi over 6 gives you 5 pi over 6. Okay, so there's your complement, there's your supplement. 89 degrees, we know hopefully by inspection. Not sure why I put that one there. Then we have 89 plus angle equals 180. So angle is going to equal 91 degrees. Complement, supplement. All right, 5 pi over 6. Let's look at this angle here. This angle is in which quadrant? Well, the relationship's 1 less than the denominator, and it's one of the main reference angles we deal with, so that works, and that tells me that's going to be in the second quadrant. So right away I know that it has no complement. So complement would be none. Again, if you wanted to convert it in degrees, you would see that this is 60 degrees, 30 degrees, because the denominator is a 6 in the second quadrant, so that's 150. So it should have a supplement, which is 30 degrees, but just to show you in radian measure, subtract 5 pi over 6 from both sides. And sure enough, we got 30 degrees there. Okay? So there are scenarios in which you won't have one. And then in this case, 5 pi over 3, that's going to be in the fourth quadrant. So there's no supplement, oops, sorry, or complement. All right? So just practice a few of these. You should see they're pretty straightforward. Nothing really to them. You just got to do a few of them, get them under your belt. Complement adds up to be 90. Supplement adds up to be 180. Hope I've clarified things for you a little bit. Practice, practice, practice. And thank you, and have a nice day.